Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Trello for project management. So first things first, you just have to go to trello.com and then create an account here. So basically what you're going to do first is create an account, and then this time you need to go to Trello and then you land on your workspace. So this is your workspace. Basically, you can change the name of your board. So to do that, you just have to click Trello right here. As you can see, you have your options. So we're going to create a new board. Tap this one. So let's just say you will be making marketing campaign for a new product launch. Then there is the name. So you can just basically rename that one if you want. As you can see, there is this to do, in progress and done. So you can change this one if you want. So you can change this to task one to do, or you can add whatever you want right here. And then task two, and so on. So this is just a basic steps on how to manage or how to create a Trello for project management. Now you can add whatever you want right here. So I have here task one, task two, to do, in progress, and done. So the good thing about this Trello is that you can add cards. So cards represent task or action items. You can click add card under any list. You can name this with whatever you want, for example, task one. And you can open a card to add details. For example, you can add descriptions, you can add due dates, checklists, attachments, files, images, links, comments, labels, color-coded categories, members. You can assign people, you can invite people to your Trello. This makes the task more organized and easier to track. As you can see, you can also add colors to identify urgent tasks right here. So you can use labels to categorize tasks like high priority, design, client review, urgent like this one, completed. Use color coding to instantly see what each card represents. So this is what it looks like. Now, once you have started to do this task, or someone started to do this task, you can move this to do, or let's just say in progress. And once it's completed, then you can move this to done. And there are a lot of things that you can do here on Trello. So basically, this is just a basic way on how to use Trello for project management. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.